Hey guys, so we are in the Dirtbike store right now, and look at this bike, guys. Look at this bike. Isn't that like nice? How much? That's a lot of money. Look at these fresh tires. Look at the helmets, bro.
Do you have something?
Guys.
Oh my god.
Look at this, bro.
Oh, that one's sick. I like this one.
Bruh. I like this one too. Or this one. Bro. Yo. What do you think about this?
I think it's.
Look at this one. I think Tristan would like that one.
Oh, I like this one. This is like.
Oh, I like this red one too, guys. I like the red fox. Oh, there's a red, white, and blue one there. Try this. I love this one. My dream one.
Bro, I'm gonna get a dirt bike. So guys, I think we're gonna buy a dirt bike today.
Yeah, we're gonna buy a direct.
Yeah. So which one do you want to look at?
I don't know.
I like the one outside.
Yeah, let's buy the
Should we
one.
buy that one?
We should buy like a red one or something.
Yeah.
Guys. So we left something in the car, so we're just gonna go grab something. So we'll be right back, guys. Okay, we're gonna go back to the store. What? What do you say?
I have a dare for you. Come here. Dare.
Okay.
I dare you to press the one.
Press the one.
Guys, it's a microwave. Why is there a microwave on the floor? What if it has stuff in it?
Oh, guys, look at all these gloves.
Brother, which one should we get?
What do we get for the dirt bike?
Look at that.
The dirt bike's red. It's kind of like this one. The one that we're gonna buy. So which one looks good for the dirt bike? I think these ones. So, look at this guy.
I like it.
Bro, red. Do like spray paint it or something. Like put stickers on it.
So guys, I think I'm gonna buy this tire. These two tires right here. No, these two. These ones are there.
Alright, let me get this one. Get that other one.
So guys, I think we're gonna get this fuel right here. We're gonna get 3 of these, $50 a pop, and
There's no more. Let's go. There's any more.
okay, come on. So I get this red one or the white one, guys.
The white's sick. I like the red.
Let's get the red one.
The red.
When we get the red one, let's go to the helmets.
Sick.
Guys, I'm gonna pick these pants.
Wait, get your size. Over here.
These ones, guys.
What's your size? You're like the large.
Let's go.
Bro, I'm in love with like this helmet, that helmet, and like this white, the white of this one. Got her? Yeah, get this one. Get this one.
Guys, I'm gonna get these pants. So then I'm gonna get these pants.
Okay, pick out some gloves.
Oh, I need orange
You
ones.
know what? I'm gonna buy this.
What for?
The most thing.
I'm gonna get some of these fly ones. What do you guys think?
Yeah. You got these ones?
So guys, we just need to finish it all up with the helmet and I think some socks.
All right, go pick your helmet.
You can pick up the socks.
All right, I'll get you some. I'll get you some socks. Okay. Okay, let's see. You know what? I think I'm gonna get. I'm gonna get this one.
Okay, let's go.
And then he's gonna get this one. Did you pick out a helmet?
I think I'm gonna go with either this one or this one, guys. What should I get?
I don't know. This one is pretty fun.
Yeah, this one, guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take this to the front. Let's go.
Alright, dude.
So I just took it to the front.
Wait. Guys, come here. Guys, this helmet's sick.
Lexi, I need
This shin guards? Where? Get these ones.
Okay.
Yeah, get a goggle. We have all our junk.
Yeah, let's go.
I think I'm gonna get these ones. Let's go.
Hey guys, so I think we're gonna need one of these. Cause like, why not? Like, did
We
you?
need one of these.
And I thought I'm gonna get some of these. So let's go.
Hold on. Step back. Yeah, take it to the front.
So guys, I think we're gonna go.
Wait, I didn't pick an outfit yet. You know what? I'm gonna get. Which one do you think I should get?
I got the orange one.
You got the orange? I kind of like red. I think I should get a red.
Oh guys, I think I'm gonna get this one too.
I like the yellow one better. For $20. Have a good day. So we got our gear. Where's my keys? All right, we have to go back. I think I lost my keys.
Is there bathrooms in there?
A bathroom?
So guys, we're gonna get this bike next time. This gets a bunch of likes.
I'm gonna get that bike next time. Guys, I left my car key in the bathroom, so let's go. Out the store again.
Okay guys, bye. Thank you. So guys, basically the bike is actually in the store. They're getting it all packed up, and I think I'm gonna call my friend to come pick it up with his truck, okay?
Guys, we
Hello?
guess what the total was?
Yeah. Okay, my friend's gonna come pick it up.
It was about we spent $7,000.
Guys, all the gear was like 2,000. I don't know why it's so expensive, but
Like combined.
the dirt bike was like 6,000. Bro, I'm gonna call my friend to come get his truck, okay?
Yeah. It's so hot in here. Let me turn on the car.
Hello? Yes. Yes. Can you come pick up our stuff? Yeah. He's coming to pick up our stuff soon.
Alright, we're gonna show you guys the dirt bike once we get home. Wait, we just left Caden and Landon.
It's fine.
They have a different car, I forgot. 30 left. Well, buddy, stay in your lane, bro. Well, guys, I think that's gonna be the end of this video, guys. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll show you guys the dirt bike in another video. See ya! See ya!